Hello everyone, Mega Simulator Gamer here. Today we are taking this intermodal freight train from, I want to say we're at Wembley sidings to Milton Keynes Central. It is currently 9:30 in the morning. At the time of, well, in the time of day, it's 11 o'clock real time. This service should take about 40 minutes. And we need to get going straight away. So let's just change a couple of things. We'll put the brakes on goods timings. Here we go. And put it into forward. Release the brakes. Have we got the signal actually? No, I have no route available. No, so let's not release the brakes. Are we empty? Yes, we are. It's an empty freight train, so we should have no bother getting around. London Gateway. So this looks like Wembley sidings. Is it Wembley sidings? Wembley sidings, yeah. So from Wembley up to thingy. There was a 710 there, by the way. Right, let's release the brakes. It's in forward already, so let's go. Wait till the brakes get below 1 and go 1, wait half a second, 2, wait half a second, 3. Although that's most probably like more like a second, second and a half. First time driving out this yard before. I've never seen it go red on 3. Why is it doing that? Can we get moving, please? Okay, we are moving. I don't think something's right about the brakes here. I haven't got any lights on. I do have lights on. Anyway, right, this 66 has got suspensions, the DB Cargo UK livery 66, which is the only 66 we're using for the moment. But yeah, it's because it's new, and it's the one included with this route, because EWS don't really exist anymore. And it's a 10 mile an hour limit, so let's not go above 10 miles an hour. That would be good. We've got D8 on the signal, which I'm assuming is the down line. Oh no, DS. We had that earlier. What's that? Down slow? Oh yeah, down slow. Oh, only down. Oh no, yeah, because up lines are lines going towards London. What's that? Is that half a Bakerloo service? That half a Bakerloo train then? Random. Anyway. Coming on to the slow lines. Put a bit of power on just to get us up to 10 miles an hour because we have lost a bit. We're doing about 6 at the minute. So we'll sort of pull it up, 7, and I imagine about somewhere here will do. Going across again, and I reckon that's about 10 miles an hour, but we'll leave 1 throttle on just to hold us at 10 miles an hour. Across we go, and it should be 75 from there on in, because on the HKA services you can only do 60, I think, but on here you can do 75, so you can push to 66 to its top speed. We'll release the throttle and let the train take the strain inside itself. That'd be a nice shot, the train snaking across. If we can get a nice shot of the train snaking across. If it was the other way we could. Let's sort of, that's better. There you go. That's the thumbnail most probably. Nice hill up there, jeez. There you go, really slow down. Whoa! Never in a million years would you be able to drive up there. Not even in a Bugatti. Right, here we go, coming through. And you all use the, you all stand behind the yellow line, please. That would be nice. We should see at least one more freight train coming southbound, because there's one that starts about 5 minutes before we did, so we should see at least one more. Let's go. Should we full power it? Oh, there's a Pendolino racing northbound. Put a bit of foot on. Let's save it now that we're out of Wembley Yard, sort of. 25, right. Put it into a bit of flight. And there's a 710 going southbound. We saw one going northbound. We should hopefully we'll catch that up. Because I wonder if we're quick. We are quicker than the 350s, aren't we? We're about the same anyway. Because we've done a 350 service earlier and that takes about an hour. It does a bit longer of the route, right? Let's put it on 7 throttle. Traffic on 8. Right, 75 miles an hour, so we're no longer. There should be more freight services going from this route, or the stop substitute cargo line volume 3 into mobile. Cargo line volume 4 military. Which will be interesting to see. I want them to do cargo line volume 5 livestock and cargo line volume 6 cars. As long as they're only £5 each. Or maybe £7.50. But I'm paying more than that for a wagon, depending on how many services it has actually. The cargo line aggregates, I think it was worth what I paid for it. I just haven't been on a route that has it on there in a while. Right, 35 miles an hour, halfway to 70. And I think we changed gear there because there's a V12 7,500 horsepower engine to this thing. Both away on the up fast, low, duo, and on the up slow, hello, it's also a duo. Both kilometres used. 38 miles to Milton Keynes as the crow flies. Shouldn't take us too long, 75 miles an hour. That should take us about half an hour, I hope. But we just need to get up to speed first, and there will be a couple of places where we need to slow down, including like the end of the route. We are about 10 minutes into the video, or we will be shortly. If you are enjoying it, please do like and subscribe, because it takes benefits of the free video today. And then you say, oh, I'll still just play again. Easy. Just so I know that you guys are enjoying. But if you even view, that's enough for now. It's nice to get some interaction with the audience. Those beans have not gone down well from last night. That's 2 off top of the Egypt there. And there's that 710 that passed us earlier. We're going to race past him. So he's a 4 car. I'm actually looking out in the 350 video for 4 cars or 5 cars. But I suppose half of the route didn't have the 710s on them. We're going to have a speed back there. Yeah, this overground route is a lot faster than the other one, but there's a few more stops. I think he's a 5 car. And we're overtaking him in our mighty freight train weighing about 780 tons. It'll take us a while to overtake him. There's a Pendolino going northbound, wow. And a tube train going southbound. Oh, if we could get that all in the same shot, that would look amazing. There isn't a tube train though. There is a 350. I realise you probably can't hear me doing these camera shots. There goes that Pendolino. He's not much quicker than us. We are really bouncing along though. It's quite a bouncy route. There's 4 350 on the upslope. Hello, driver. That's a 2 AWS ramps for that signal. They missed something out there, but you missed something. Right, I think we're just going to hold it at 3 throttle at 70 miles an hour. This actually takes us about half an hour. Should be at Milton Keynes by 4 past. I think we'll hold it at 4 actually. Half throttle. Just hold it there. Yeah, so in 30 minutes time, that'll be about when I need to get ready to leave. There's another 710. Just more Paramore, so next should be Carpenter's Park. It feels weird because we're already halfway on the route, but I've barely even driven. so like, I feel fresh, but then I feel like I'm halfway along the route. It's weird. But yeah, I quite like doing the 66 runs on here. They're just a bit long, but it's nice to have a route where you can stretch the 66 at its limits. A bit like East Coast Mainline, but on here you're not getting pulled into a passing loop every 5 minutes. Because there's like 4 tracks. A bit of pain throttle. And 7 throttle as well, we'll hold it at. Right, that's as fast as we can go without gaining speed, so that's what we need to hold it at. 10 minutes into the video. Are liking and you have such trouble, please turn notifications on. Because like I said, we do 3 videos a day. That's a lot of notifications in fairness, but 1 is bus simulator related and 2 are train sim related, but it might go back. Sort of at the start of February, it might go back to being 1 train sim, 1 what's the other? 1 train sim, 1 bus sim, there we go. Maybe even farming sim if you guys would like to see that to do on farming sim 19, so put that in the comments. When I'm going to film all learning textures, we come up to Bushy now, Carpenter's Park. Carpenter's Park, makes the speed up drops to 90. So, oh yeah, it's Carpenter's Park. Then it's Bushy. Nice. Really bouncing along. So most of the freight trains I saw on this route probably came from Bushy. Not Bushy, Wembley, sorry. I was at Bushy when recording it, which is a video you can still watch on this channel. It's in the IRL trains/buses section if you are interested. Because there's not just train videos, there's bus spotting at Luton and Welland, and there's trains at Welland, Welland North, St Albans, Luton, Elstree and Bournemouth and Bushy. That Elstree and Bournemouth video is probably the worst video on this channel. For me anyway, to record it, just because how long it took to get there, just how bad of a day it was. Ages to get there, when you got onto the platform. So, let's take a bit of throttle off and just leave it to about 72 miles an hour. Quite nice to do an intermodal run, because I haven't done one in a while. Right, we're going downhill now, so all throttle off. There's that one train, and here's where the memory leak happens, so we'll save it here. Because I don't know why memory leaks, but it goes back after Watford Junction. Looks like we've got some mad fog in here, some nice haze. Yeah, that's quite terrible. The rendition of the roundabout. Nice spot. Just over there. But apparently not. Or maybe that was... Well, that would have been down sort of here rather than over there. That's the same thing. There's a duo with 350s and mine. Yeah, there you go. I told you it's a memory leak as it loads in Watford Junction. And we're going uphill again to put a bit of brake power on. Just try and hold up. Actually, we've got 5. That should hold us. Goes down from 90, 75 to 90. There we go. And there's a Pendolino going south. We never saw a Pendolino going northbound in our 350 video. Give him a wave. And a wave to the 710, but I doubt you can see us from there. Oh, there's even a southern train. Southern train. In real life, when I went to 317, Sevens almost over there. You know, this. And you're rattling if I'm going to speed. Yeah. What time do you chew out? No idea. we go, in a secret back way through Watford Junction, 30 miles to North Keynes, doing 70 miles an hour. That should be about 20 minutes. The gradient has gone up to a bit of 7 rolling. As we get to like Cheddington area, we need to save again because that's where it crashed on the last time. It's not running too hot though. It's whenever we see a pendolino, it's always bad. You probably can't hear me because the tunnel's definitely with all the echo of the wagons. We'll keep it on 2 throttle because there's no gradient as we go through the tunnel, which makes sense with the tunnel being flat. 15 minutes into the video, so we're just about to be halfway and get to about 20 minutes in. So 24 minutes, that should be alright to make by the time I want to leave. Nice. Right, actually it needs to be at 70%, so we'll go for it right now. Slow down to 70 miles an hour. I'll take that off now. Too much road on here, so just chuck down to 70 miles an hour. And we're doing about 60 something, and let's put a bit of brake power on to hold us at that speed. Because for once, the speed limit is actually a lower speed than what we have a chance to do, so we actually need to focus on that speed limit. Yeah, I quite like doing the freight services and the pendolino services, but these don't crash as much. Fingers crossed, touch wood. Well, that's probably wood, that's maybe, that's probably a material like wood that's made to feel like wood, I don't know. Anyway, there's 65 miles an hour, I need a bit more throttle than this. Chucking down 7. Right, it's gone back up to 75 and chucking down 8. That's moving along. Nobody would even recognise us, we're going that fast. Nobody's even got time to read the company like go on the side. Where have your textures gone again? Yeah, this will be King's Langley. Laggy area. Didn't think it would be. There's not much around in all these areas. These are like little villages. Like Tring's a little village. It has a service that terminates there. Well, you go well into a little town and it has a service that terminates there. But my textures are back. This would work if it was foggy. All these textures disappearing, it doesn't really make sense to me. But I'd rather have some textures going than the whole game implode. So I'm going for now. We've got Apsley, we've got Hemel Hempstead, and we've got there's that other freight service that's been out. We've got Berkhamsted, and then there's that Cheddington next, it should be. Train and Cheddington. Oh, right. Hold it at 2, then we'll go 3 throttle. No, we'll hold it at 5. That should hold us without speeding up. Lovely quiet little base train spot. Yeah, nice. And there's quite a bit of traffic coming our way, so we'll save. Next time we save should be like 10 o'clock. I wouldn't have seen this freight service in real life because I only got to Bushy about 10 o'clock. So that was just passed before I got there. I would have missed that. I had a 390 go over when I was there, just before I managed to get to the platform. I'm going to hold it at 4th level, I think. Maybe we could get a thumbnail with the other 66. I hope it's not DB, because that means we'll lack of variety. Although it is all just DBs right nowadays. Although there is Freightliner and GPRF, actually. We need to see those in the game. Give us a 66 pack reskin. I don't even care if it costs money. Just give us the 66 GPRF and the 66 Freightliner in any event. Right, that's AWS, so I'm going to take some control off. Why is he flashing? Okay, my signal's still green, so I don't know what's up. Yeah, my signal's still green. Maybe we're catching up to that London Northwestern that was in front of us. Can't see one. Oh, I can see one, it's there at Trim. Hopefully it's not a 2 kilo service, otherwise that will hold us up. Ah, there's the 66. Is it a DB? Yes, it is. He's got some loaded wagons. What is the DB? No, he's an EWS. Oh wow, okay, so they're not all DB. That would be a nice screenshot. Yes. POV. Oh, sorry, FOV. I will also get one sort of there-ish, next to a bright coloured container. Yeah, that'll do. Textures, textures, textures. Yeah, nice. I like that. And the textures in the cab are gone. Those who wondered, now you're not wondering. Textures in the cab are gone. Right, double yellow signal, throttle off. Red signal, fast line. Heck, nothing would be going fast at that rate. Just because you can't really stop a freight train at the same speed that a passenger train can. I'm going to put as little brake on as I can. Just get us down to a more reasonable speed, like 45 miles an hour. That's a more reasonable speed, I think. Let's approach a red, although the next one will be yellow at least. So. Where aren't my textures? That is really starting to annoy me. Where are my textures? Right, that is yellow and we are bringing it down slowly, so we'll hold at this pace. And the far side is just going to be... You see, I'm not a fan of this cab stuff. I don't know what, like, I don't know why. Just going to put a bit more brake on. Just to try and slow us down a bit more. Well, there's a fair way to the signal, so we'll sort of brake here. And that should bring us down 20 miles from Milton Keynes, so I'd hope we could get that done fairly rapidly. I'm going to take the brake off for now until we can see the signal, because it might be yellow, and then we can speed back up to 45 miles an hour. There's a Pendolino going northbound. It is currently red, so we'll keep it so. And we're doing 15 miles an hour, so we can try and hold that speed. That'd be great. You shouldn't really power up to a red, but only doing 15, so yeah, well, and we're on the freight train, so if we stop, we might not get going again. Double yellow signal, so that band up. Okay, it'll change before he gets there. What's that? Right, our signal's gone green, yeah, and it has changed before he's got there. Oh, sorry, his signal's gone green, ours has gone single yellow. I'm going to speed up to 45 miles an hour. Zoom, past he goes. And textures will come back as that 390 is loaded in. If there were to be 2 390s in the same place, that'd be dangerous. I'm not crawling to that signal at 15 miles an hour, we'll just slow down when we see the signal. Right, 20 miles from Milton Keynes now. We'll be 20 miles in a second. Was he coming onto the slow lines? I doubt it, but that might have been what was blocking us. 21 miles, give him a wave, he's on the up slope. Oh mate. Just a 4-car. Tiny little 4-car. And I'll take the throttle off now. Because if it is red, we're going to want to know about it. Not that I can really see it. What does the banner repeater say? How can you not have a banner repeater for that signal? I can't even see it. I'm going to start putting some brakes on. Just so I can't see the signal. This is Burt Campstead. In about 2D. Is that double yellow? Yes, that's actually just turned to a green, so let's get going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, full throttle, there we go. Some beans, and that Pendolino is motoring along this green already for the next train. That's in the red, I mean I can barely see anything, that's awful. What is that? That is a huge memory leak. We'll leave it on 7, no, we'll go full power, we'll do full power now. About 20 miles an hour. Let's get up. That's sneaky right. Freight train. It's about 500 yards, so what's that? What's that in feet? That's like 1,300 feet. So not a short freight train, that's for sure. 20 miles. Well, at the minute that would take us about an hour, the speed we're doing, but when we get up to full speed, we could do 40 miles an hour and that would take us half an hour. But I'm hoping to do about 70, so that should take us about 10 minutes. Signal is green again, fast time is red. I suppose there's not that much. Oh, signal is now magically green, there must be a pendo coming. 20 miles from Milton Keynes, let's just save it. And we're about to go through a train, so maybe the service that was holding us up is a train service that's terminated. Yes, it will. So we should have nothing in front of us for the rest of the journey now. Will he pass us before the end of this tunnel? I doubt it, because it's quite a short tunnel. We're 45 miles an hour now. Practically half the journey time by speeding up that much. Yeah, this looks crap. I mean, the cab's better now, but I mean, that tunnel is paper. Oh, it just looks hideous. It's hideous. Where are my textures? And there's that 90 miles an hour that we could go up to, but obviously we can't go up to because we're a freight train. Let alone get it to start moving, and it's loaded in that Pendolino now, so all the textures come back. Seems to be the reason that's the reason that the memory goes, because of Pendolino, which happens quite a lot. There's quite a few Pendos, which is good but bad when it takes all your memory. It makes the 66 like an SCR paper train. No disrespect to SCR paper trains, of course, although I never played SCR when it was. New follower on Twitch. PS Lengthy TTV is now following you on Twitch. Oh, hang on. PS Legend TTV. Jesus Christ, I can't read. Thank you for following me on Twitch. the 28th of January, and I'm filming this on I think it's the 20th today. Yes, it is the 20th, so there's a week left of the sale, but by the time you're watching this, it's probably like 5-6 days after the sale. Coming through Tring, a nice little village with a probably 5 platform station, 6 platform station, but only 3 are ever used. Right, and we've got no gradients, so we'll just leave it in 2 throttle. Nice 12-car train, and the Tring services, that looks ridiculous. Flying along. That looks okay. And my cab, there we go. Freight going fast, just does look so good. Got a bit of 1 throttle on just to give us our momentum and take it off. Doing about 72 miles an hour, 17 miles from Milton Keynes. There's 350 on the upslope. Up fast. Hello. In the way. An up line is any line going towards London, and then the slow is obviously, it's a slow line where all the trains stop at every station, whereas a fast line where all the trains go fast in most stations. That's work out. And then down lines are any lines away from London, which basically means it doesn't work, and it's loading in a Pendolino, because that's happened. I'm coming through Cheddington, so we'll say there anyway. Cheddington, Leighton Buzzard, what's the other one? Bletchley, and then Milton Keynes. Listen to those idling sounds on the 66. Even the mirror's gone blurry. Oh, that's hideous. Can you open that window? Oh, nice. I mean, it's a bit chilly on January the 20th, but any other day, feel free to open it. Where's this Pendolino coming from then? Because it's double yellows that way. Is it green going the other way? I mean, there's a lot of Pendos going northbound. Like all lines. Train. And that, oh no, that's not a train, that's just that box that's really close. It's amazing how long it took us in the 350, and now that we've just done it, well, there's still 15 miles to go, of course, as the crow flies, but yeah, there's only 15 miles to go, and it took us an hour and 10 in the 350 to do the full route, and we didn't start the full route. We've done at least 3 quarters, and it's taken about 40 minutes. And we're about to go past 75 miles an hour. So the gradient needs to change, ideally. The Pendolino coming from behind us. There's no Pendolino coming from behind us. Can't see anything here. What station's this? Oh, it's Cheddington, isn't it? Let me just check. Let's put a bit of brake on. And then just sort of release the brake. Just because we were going a bit close to the red mark, where if we were past the red mark for too long, it would put the emergency brakes on. So it's much nicer to leave it at 70 than risk going 75. Hang on. Come on. I didn't say go slower than 17 though, did I? Here's where the gradient goes up straight away up there. Right past Cheddington. Nice. We've hit a 12-car train at Cheddington apparently. I'm going fast. Not switch to the direct brake because that wouldn't work. So 10 miles at 70 miles an hour, that should take about 7 minutes. So there's about 10 minutes left of the video. Thank you all very much for staying if you have stayed this long. Please do like and subscribe, it's much appreciated and there's much more exciting trains and content on the way. involving West Coast Mainline, Cathcart Circle, Midland Mainline, GWE, Peak Forest, Blackpool branches, all routes I bought recently. That's all stuff I want to play. We even got some stuff that I still want to play that I haven't done with while speaking, like the 700, Southeastern High Speed in general, Northern Transpennine. I want to go back to that because I've recently got the mastery for it. Yeah, that would be very nice. Well, I also want to go back to F1 Manager at one point on my Mega Manager gaming channel. That would be nice. There's no trains. Right. No trains. Maybe they're on strike or something. No Pendos north or southbound. Right, 11 miles from Milton Keynes now. About to be 10. We'll save it when it's 10, and then we'll drive on from there. We'll probably save it when it's 5 miles as well. We are still going downhill. 11 miles as the crow flies. What will we next see? A 390 or a 350 or a class 66? Change to uphill. Right. Save. My textures are gone. I thought that's because it's loading in a Pendo. That seems the only time it's been doing it. Maybe we should do some services the other way, going towards Wembley, because we've done one already and that didn't crash. And so far this hasn't, but we're still way away from Milton Keynes yet, so let's not count too early, not count our chickens yet. There's a green signal and it's yellow on the fast line, and it's red and double yellow on that line. So I reckon we'll see a 350 next. But yeah, not long to go now. Oh, and also, if you want to see the 710s on this route, Suffragette is also 50% off. And Great Western Express, which I said I'm going to play soon, that's £4.99, and there's an upcoming remaster to it. And it is a 350 that we're going to see next, by the way. And Colne Arthur, which is going to have the largest TSW timetable to date soon, that's got an update coming to it, and that's on sale. That's also a £5, so I'd get that. Although that route was a TSW2 core route, we're going downhill now again. 8 miles from Milton Keynes, a bit like a countdown now. So it's ready to leave. If you have enjoyed today's video, then why don't you try the service out yourself? It's 4 Mike 41 London Gateway to Lawley Street. I feel like some of these services we play on the Suffragette line, because I reckon when it goes left, going up to Gospel Oak, you've got that junction where the Peak Forest rail tour goes to the left. If a freight train goes there, I reckon it's headed for the West Coast Mainline, Wembley area. Let me know if that's correct, let me know if that's incredibly wrong. Yeah, it's sort of, because if it goes via the North London line, it'd be at Wilston Junction, which is where the route's going to end when it comes to Trainsim World. Oh, that doesn't get any more painful, which is there. And there is some lines there, so maybe you can come around and sort of cross and over, maybe. But maybe it goes the other side and goes round Wembley. Sort of goes over, cross, and like sort of round it. Who knows? If you do know, then pop it in the comments. It'd be lovely to know. Lots of people with some B12 I'd love to do on the 66 in real life as well. couple of 350s here on the upside, low. Dual pairing of 350s. Let's put a bit of 2 throttle on because we're starting to lose speed. 7 miles away from Milton Keynes now. That's Bletchley. That's where we start the HKA services, in there. Then we started on there, came out here, went on here, done 75 and went all the way to Wembley. Because I do own the HKA pack, which I'd recommend getting for a £5. I mean, I got it for £4.50. I've got Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. That was quite nice. So, yeah, hopefully the next routes I want to get are either some more Scottish routes or some BR routes, particularly Tees Valley line, because that adds a lot of freight to modern UK routes, which would be awesome to see. So you buy Tees Valley for like whatever it is, say it's half price, it'd be a tenner, and like there's loads of things to do on other routes. Southeastern High Speed, and have Suffragette line, I think Brexit Express quite possibly, but you would need 31 as well. And my phone is fully charged, so I'm going to take it out of charge and hopefully not drop it. There we go. And spin it around so you're closer to me, because it wasn't that close to me with the charger on. And I'm going to turn my earphones on charge. There we go. And we're going downhill still. 5 miles from Milton Keynes, there's the DST. It doesn't and I'm going to take the throttle off. And we'll just leave it at 2 throttle. No Pendo's going north or southbound, 5 miles away, all safe. There we go. 1.6 miles away from Bletchley. And then Milton Keynes platform 3, which is that one there, so the one next to the one you came in on. We've done our video, and that's where the London North Western Railway train is that we are following. He's at Milton Keynes, so nice. I'm not going to catch him up, I'm not going to catch anyone up. Hope you all have your tickets ready while watching this video. Ticket inspector is coming. I mean, you've not got to find a seat on here. You might go to late on. It's unparking right for sure. I'd imagine they're not level. Probably quite bouncy. I mean, with the train, for the sake, you know, in the containers, Tesco meal deals going all over the place. And 75 miles an hour. I'm going to take all the throttle off. And just put a bit of brake on quickly. And take it off. There we go. Just dab on the brakes just to slow us down to about 71, 72-ish. So don't want to hold at 74, go beyond 75, like 76, 77, and have an emergency brake application. Especially when you're 3 miles away from Milton Keynes. And I know this is going to be a lot of saving, but I'm going to save it here at Bletchley just because it'll be easier to come from here if the game does crash. Which it did earlier at Leighton Buzzard, and I lost half a route to, so I had to start again from Leighton Buzzard. I spawned on foot. I didn't bother starting again from Kings Langley. That's a London North Western Railway depot. Good to see that it's empty, especially this time of day. You'd want it to be empty. Look at this 7 throttle on just to hold us. How old that 8? Right, green signal still. Yeah, sorry about this memory leak stuff, it happens, especially on a Gen 9 console with less memory than the PS5 and the Xbox Series X, which is what a Xbox Series S is, for those of you that may be wondering. So, yeah, sorry about that, but not a lot to do now. Hold it at that. Well, we now have a double yellow signal, so we'll take all power off. And just sort of coast into Milton Keynes, 1.5 miles away. Another save. Sorry, so many saves, but I just don't want to crash, okay? Seems to not crash when I don't start at Houston. Or go anywhere near Houston. So that's good. Even though Wembley sidings I thought would be the most heavy tanking bit on the route, but obviously not. Approaching Milton Keynes, is that a single yellow? Right, let's get a bit of braking on them. Actually, we'll do quite a bit of braking. Quite a bit of braking to slow down by the end of the platform at Milton Keynes. Bring it down to 45 and then sort of reduce the braking. Or we need a bit more braking actually, because it's really not slowing down. Who knew an empty freight train would cause such a hassle? Was there a Pendolino in the platform? Right, we're slowing down quite well, we can take that brake off. Nice. Cool, we're about to stop here. Put 2 throttle on. I mean, in real life, with the brakes this much on and trying to accelerate, you would flat spot half the wagons, I'd imagine. But come on, don't stop, 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 don't stop. Come on. Brakes off, fully off, please. I'm not stopping, even if I'm doing 3 miles an hour, I'm not stopping. The brakes off on the last wagon. Yes, they are, we're speeding up, nice. Yeah, the last thing I want to do is stop right outside, then have to get going again, then have to build up the speed, then have to kill the speed straight after building it up, which is what we have to do now, but at least we're not stopped because it would take us ages. It's like 15 seconds to get going again, then you just stop there going, oh, this is not awkward at all. This service should have taken 44 minutes, but it told us we didn't have any setup time, which was a bit odd. Because for a TSW5 route, I would have thought setup time would have been standard, but who knows. I hope they have setup time in the Great Western Express Remaster, and you have to open your doors. But hey, right, let's slow down. To about 15 miles an hour. And there comes a pair of fast 350s in. Alongside our DB66. I think in real life this signal would be green and it'd just fly on my head. But obviously it's a game and the game ends here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, do smash that like button. Not literally, you should probably break your device and that would be very bad. But yeah, do hit that like button, do subscribe, and plenty more content coming out, whether it be for bus sim or for train sim. And maybe even farming if you want to see that, and maybe even Planet Coaster. That would be the original Planet Coaster, not Planet Coaster 2. But yeah, do like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. For now. Let's get it stopped. I've done that a bit prematurely, really. Will it take 10 yards away? I hope so. Yeah. Right, see you next time. Goodbye for now.